Hey, my name is Dory, and I've lost over 80 pounds and kept it off. I follow Brightline Eating, and I love creating content to inspire me as well as you. So let's go. We're going to make good old-fashioned peanut butter, all right? Good old-fashioned peanut butter. So here we go. You ready for this? All it is going to be your nuts in the Vitamix. Start it low and slowly increase it to high. Grab your plunger, plunge it down, and you'll see, you'll have a nice creamy peanut butter. I'm talking about even when you store it in the refrigerator in one of these wide mouth jar, it is still creamy. You know when you get a jar of peanut butter and you put it in the fridge and then you try to deal with it and it's a completely stiff situation? Not with this. You know when you get a jar of peanut butter and there's all the oil at the bottom and then you got to put it upside down and then you're like, oh my gosh, I can't even get this mixed. Not with homemade peanut butter. So, one ingredient, nuts. So, let's make it. And here you have it. Beautiful, homemade peanut butter. It will stay stuffed, even in the fridge. Look at that. I know. You don't gotta tell me. I know.